Good component placement means easier routing, better performance, and fewer manufacturing issues. In this video, let's see how to place components in KiCad. When you update the PCB layout from the schematic, it will automatically import all the required components. First, set your units, which are mils in this example, and choose a grid of 1000 mil for initial outline creation. You can adjust the grid size later when working on different design elements. To create the board outline, select the Edge Cuts layer from the right-hand side panel. Then select the Draw Rectangle option and create a board outline. If you want physical dimensions on the file, use the Draw Dimensions option, or you can click on Place and then draw dimension on the fab or user drawing layer to annotate the size. Next, place the grid origin and drill/placement file origin at the bottom left corner of the board. Now let's place mounting holes, change the grid size to 50 mil, and ensure you maintain a minimum of 15 to 25 mil clearance between holes and board edge. Similarly, place the mounting holes on all four corners. Once placed, lock the mounting holes and the board outline so they don't move during placement or routing. Click on the mounting hole and select Locked. Then select the board outline and select Locked. Preview the outline in the 3D viewer to confirm shape and hole positions. Set the required design rule under the board setup before proceeding with the component placement. Start placement with connectors. Rotate and place them with 10-15 mil clearance from the board edge for assembly safety. However, through-hole connectors can be closer, but SMT components need space. Switch the grid to 5 mil for finer placement of small footprints and passives. When placing footprints, pay attention to the fab outline, which is in gray, and the other is the silkscreen outline. Place the main IC so that related nets are naturally routed and avoid the crisscrossing of nets.